Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here, and no, this isn't my channel. I'm lending my voice today to my friend RK, who wants to share some powerful secrets with you all about natural remedies that promote health and wellness. Did you know there's a mysterious, dark-colored spice hiding in Indian kitchens that holds powerful healing secrets? It's not turmeric, no, this one is often forgotten, but trust me, you'll want to remember it after today. Welcome to Heaven for Health. Today, we're exploring stoneflower, also known as Kalpasi, a forgotten spice with magical benefits for your gut, immunity, and inflammation. Let's jump right in. Alright, so what makes Kalpasi so special? Well, this unassuming spice is actually a nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with things like phenolic compounds, essential oils, flavonoids, and natural antimicrobials. These aren't just fancy words, they're the building blocks of a healthy body. Phenolic compounds, those are like your body's personal defense squad, fighting off those nasty free radicals that can lead to all sorts of health issues. Essential oils? Think of them as little mood boosters and inflammation fighters all in one. And then we have flavonoids, which are like the superheroes of the plant world, protecting your cells from damage and keeping things running smoothly. And let's not forget the natural antimicrobials in Kalpasi. They're like having a tiny army inside, fighting off those pesky bugs that can make you sick. Now I'll be honest, the taste of Kalpasi is unique. It's got this earthy, slightly bitter flavor that might not be everyone's cup of tea, literally. But trust me, the potential health benefits of this spice are undeniable. One of the areas where Kalpasi really shines is in gut health. And let me tell you, a healthy gut is the foundation of a healthy life. If you're dealing with things like gas, bloating, indigestion, or even acid reflux, Kalpasi could be your new best friend. So how does it work? Well, Kalpasi stimulates your digestive juices, getting everything flowing the way it should. It helps ease bowel movements, preventing that uncomfortable constipation, and it even reduces inflammation in the gut lining, which is a big deal for those with conditions like IBS. In Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, Kalpasi is considered what's called dipana, which means it stimulates digestion, and pachana, which means it boosts your metabolism. And let's be honest, who couldn't use a little boost in that department? The best part is, incorporating Kalpasi into your diet is super easy. You can add a pinch to your dal, sprinkle some in your curries, or even mix it into your chutneys. Not only will it add a unique depth of flavor, but you'll also be giving your digestive system some serious love. Chapter 3. Now let's talk about immunity because let's face it, a strong immune system is more important than ever. And Kalpasi? Well, it's got some serious immune boosting power. This incredible spice has what we call immunomodulatory effects, which means it helps to regulate and balance your immune system. It's not about sending your immune system into overdrive, it's about making sure it's working optimally. And one of the ways it does this is through its antifungal and antibacterial compounds. These compounds act like little guardians, protecting your body from those pesky seasonal infections that always seem to pop up at the worst times. They also support your respiratory health, keeping those airways clear, and they enhance your body's natural defense mechanisms. Think of it like this. Kalpasi is like that friend who always has hand sanitizer and encourages you to wash your hands. It's all about prevention and being proactive when it comes to your health. And speaking of being proactive, a warm tea made with Kalpasi, tulsi, and a pinch of black pepper is like a soothing hug for your throat and can help keep those pesky colds at bay. Chapter 4. Inflammation. It's a word we hear a lot these days, and for good reason. Chronic inflammation is at the root of so many health problems. But the good news is that nature has given us powerful tools to combat it. And one of those tools is Kalpasi. Kalpasi is a natural anti-inflammatory spice. Studies have actually shown that it can help reduce those pesky inflammation markers in the body. What does that mean for you? Well, it could mean relief from things like joint pain, chronic fatigue, those annoying inflammatory bowel issues, and even skin inflammation. And here's where Ayurveda comes in again. Kalpasi is known for its cooling properties, which can help to balance what's called pitta in the body. Pitta is one of the 3 doshas in Ayurveda, And when it's out of balance, it can lead to excess heat and inflammation. So by incorporating Kalpasi into your diet, you're not just fighting inflammation at the symptom level, you're addressing it at a deeper, more holistic level. Chapter 5. Okay, so by now you're probably wondering how you can actually start incorporating this wonder spice into your daily routine. Well, the good news is, it's super easy. Let's start with cooking. You can add a pinch of Kalpasi while you're tempering your curries or biryanis. It adds this incredible depth of flavor and aroma. You can even toss some into your lentils while they're cooking for a unique twist. Remember that tea I mentioned earlier? Well, that's another fantastic way to enjoy the benefits of Kalpasi. Just boil some water with a piece of Kalpasi, some fresh tulsi leaves, a pinch of black pepper, and a little bit of honey for sweetness. It's like a warm hug for your insides. If you're into making your own spice blends, Kalpasi is a great addition to homemade masalas. Combine it with cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, and other warming spices for a flavor explosion. And here's a pro tip for you. Always lightly roast Kalpasi before using it. This helps to release its incredible aroma and enhances its flavor. See? Incorporating Kalpasi into your life doesn't have to be complicated. Just a little sprinkle here and there can make a big difference. Nothing like a warm cup of Kalpasi tea to soothe the soul, right? It's amazing how something so small and unassuming can be jam-packed with so many health benefits. Stoneflower may be a forgotten spice in many parts of the world, but its health benefits are immense. It's time we rediscover these ancient gifts from nature and make them part of our everyday lives. And who knows, maybe your spice cabinet will become your new medicine cabinet. Have you ever used Kalpasi? What's your favorite way to use it? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Heaven for Health for more nature-powered health tips. Stay healthy, stay rooted. See you in the next video.